Guys, please confirm to me. Fans and everyone. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, please check it. All of you get my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Okay. Guys, please respond to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Am I audible? Is my voice is clear to all of you guys? Please confirm to me. Hmm? Okay. Go. Right. Good evening, guys. And in the last sessions, just what we completed there, I think some of you are joined with these classes from yesterday. I think so, right? Fine. So what I'm telling to you, if we understand the total syllabus, if you observe this, just 1 minute, I'll give some clarity for you. Just 1 minute. If you observe the content here, yeah, core Java syllabus, total syllabus, if you understand it, introduction part, steps to prepare first application, language fundamentals, and so on and so on and so on. The total nearly 35 to 37 topics are available up to the latest version. Introduction part we have started there. In that introduction part, all of you understand it, especially those who started with our classes from yesterday onwards. I'm giving clarity. Java history and the differences between Java and others. These two topics I will discuss with you separately. I'm giving clarity. Understand it? No? Right. It's a hardly maybe 4 or 5 classes are required to complete this content. I will discuss these two topics separately. They are not at all dependent topics. Just differences between Java and others is the concept there. There we are discussing about it. Some differences. Pointers are available in C, C++. Pointers are not available in Java. Java is a platform independent. C, C++ are what there? Platform dependent. Like this, some discussion I made previously regarding this content. These two points, concepts I will discuss with you. No need to worry for it. Okay. The notes, if you want to check this, already in the same document, notes is available that we can check for it. No need to worry for it. If you require that videos also, we are able to get further. No need to worry for it. Okay. But officially, I will take these two classes with you. Then today, in the introduction part, I want to start from what there Java features onwards. Java features. It is also like what there an introductory content only. In introduction, overall 5 topics are available. Today I want to start what there Java features onwards. Try to follow this content clearly. All of you are getting clarity what I am telling to you. Nothing is completed. Just we can understand right from today. You are able to understand each and every point clearly. Okay. All right, sir. Now observe carefully. Then today now I want to take what there Java history. That means Java features. The topic I want to start. Right, sir. See this content here, Java features. So before going to start this Java features, I'd like to ask one question to all of you. I think all of you are using smartphones, right? No? No response, sir. Good. So without smartphones, our life is not going to be started on every day. Am I right? That entire world is going on with the smartphones only, with our phone only. That everything is going on in phone. Yes, definitely. It is an advantage. It is an advantage actually. The technology is available with our hand, so we can play with the world. We are doing that. Why are thinking differently about the smartphones when I'm asking this question there? People are laughing. That the point is what? No need to think in, no need to go for any wrong way of thinking. Just think about it, advantages of this content. See, previously, for example, if you want to transfer some amount of money from your account to your friend account, for example. How much time? What exactly the work we have to do? Think a minute about it. You have to go for a bank. There we have to wait almost 1 hour to 1.5 hour of time when our token is coming there. By the time only, first of all we have to apply for it, then transfer form we have to take, we have to write the details, we have to send that the transfer form to over there some other person in the bank, we have to wait for our token. When our token is coming there, then only the amount is going to be transferred. Understand it, how much time it will take there, how much time we are consuming for that. Understand it, kid? Almost a half day of time we are going to consume for it. If the bank is not near to our house, again 1.5 hour of traveling time we have to spend. But now what is going on? What is going on? Is a fraction of seconds. Open phone pay, 10,000, other person's UPI ID, finish, click on enter button. Understand it now? That is a technology, advantage of technology. But of course, drawbacks are also available. For every advantage, definitely some drawbacks are available. No need to think about the drawbacks here. Try to get advantages of it. So the point what I'm telling to you, more technology, more advantages. At the same time, more drawbacks. What's the main drawback with mobile phone? Anybody else? What's the main drawback with mobile phones? No? Site will come, right? Getting it. Automatically we are able to get what? So 24 hours of time, almost all, every minute. See, I don't know what is the reason why some people, phone is there, even including me also. When I'm teaching the content here, after 15 minutes of time, automatically I used to look on that phone. Point number one. Next one is nothing is available on my phone. Automatically, I used to take that phone. I'll refresh it. I don't know what is the reason for it. Every 10 to 15 minutes, this we are doing there. Almost all this is like what there is the most dangerous than coronavirus. Right or not? All right, sir. Now that is not my intention. Get now the point is what. So, for example, listen carefully. For example, I want to take a new mobile phone. I want to take a new mobile phone. I have some mobile phone. It is totally outdated. I want to get a new mobile phone. So I inquired about it. What phone is very good? Now tell me, as per your suggestion, what phone is good now? Which phone is good? Which one is very good phone? The iPhone. iPhone is okay, fine. Already I'm using that. Leave it. OnePlus. Okay, the brand is okay, fine. It is somewhat better. OnePlus phone is good. What is the series now at present? OnePlus series. Which series is going on there? 12. I think so. OnePlus 12 is going on. 12R. Not a T, only 12 or I think so it is going on. Good, nice. So I want to take that phone, but I don't know information about that phone. So I went to the mobile shop, mobile store. I went there. There, when I entered in that mobile store, then people have asked to me, "What do you want to there?" Then I asked them, "Just I want to take a phone that OnePlus 12 or some brand name I know, only brand name I know. Just give some details about it. I want to take that phone." Immediately what that mobile shop representative is able to give information to me, what that mobile shop representative is able to give information to me, just within 5 minutes of time, he able to explain everything about that phone or not. Yes, understand my example, able to explain everything about that phone or not. What everything he able to explain there? OnePlus 12R is a brand name. It's a dual SIM mobile phone. Understand it clearly. This is motherboard. This is a quotation for motherboard. RAM size is like this. And what next one? Internal memory is like this. And a dual SIM. Camera specifications. Battery backup. Understand my point? Battery lifetime. So everything within 5 minutes of time, able to explain everything about that mobile phone or not. Listen carefully. I have not seen that. I have not seen the taste of that mobile phone. I have not used that mobile phone. I have not taken that mobile phone, but still I got some details about this mobile phone or not before using that mobile phone. Understand it clearly, no? Similarly, before learning Java programming language, if you want to get some details about the Java in a 5 minutes of time, in a nutshell, or in a 5 minutes of time, if you want to get some description about Java, if you want to know something about Java within a 5 minutes of time, there we have to go for what there? Java features. Java features is not any other concept, just it provides some details about our Java programming language. Java features is giving some information, some description about the Java programming language, not any other data. Yes, sir, got it or not? Just like we can understand. I think so nowadays in outside movies are going on. Am I right? Movies. Then every might be time to time movies are released. Am I right or not? Or the latest movie is a good movie. What is it? I'm not getting it. After Bahubali, I was totally disconnected with movies. What is the latest movie there? Huh? What's that? Hanuman, right? Perfect. Yeah, recently I listened it. I think good, very good feedback is going on for that movie. But I don't know who is that hero actually. But anyway, I heard about it. He was a child artist previously. Now he turned as what there a hero. That's okay, nice. Whatever it may be. So Hanuman movie, that's okay, fine. See, not only Hanuman movie. If we take any movie, previously the culture of introducing movies is different. At present, the way of introducing movies is different. Now at present, what that the movie people are following the conventions. First, they want to go for what their trailer launch. Yes, sir. Am I right or not? Trailer launch. And before that or after that, I don't know. First look, second look. Of course, that number is there depends, right? First look, second look, third look, or fourth look. Or if it is a RGB movie, everyday look is going on. Am I right or not? Fine, not like that. Fine. Now leave this one again. So trailer launch they used to conduct. For what purpose they are providing the trailer launch, sir? See, understand it. No? In the trailer launch, a bite they are going to introduce about that movie. In that bite, they are going to give the total description of that movie. The total nature of that movie easily we are able to get. Just if you see the trailer. The trailer maybe the duration of the trial is 1 minute, 1.5 minutes, or 2 minutes of time max. If it is 3 minutes, no, is a more. Nobody will introduce the trailer with the 3 minutes of time. Just matter of 1 minute or 1.5 minute max. Only shots. But if you see the trailer, easily we can guess it. What exactly the nature of that movie? Which type of movie that is? What type of background is going on in that movie? Everything we can get in our mind. Understand it now? So how the trailer is provided for a movie? Similarly, the trailer for Java is what their Java features. Java features is a trailer for Java programming language. The real Java we are going to understand one by one clearly. But first of all, we have to understand what is Java. Further purpose, we are going to understand like what their Java features. All of you are comfortable? All of you are understanding the point clearly? What exactly the point I am telling you know? Now understand it clearly. To describe the nature of Java programming language, Java programming language, Java has provided the following set of features. Java programming language has provided the following set of features. As a last, that font size is okay, visible to all of you know, right? Nice. Now, what are the various features which are provided by Java? All right, what are the various features which are provided by Java? That's okay, fine. Observe carefully. Now, the first one is what there? A simple programming language. The first one is what there? A simple programming language. I'll explain one by one clearly. Each and every one I'm able to explain. First of all, let me list out all the features clearly. First one is what there? Simple. And the next one is what there? Object oriented. Next one is what there? Object oriented. And the third one is like what there? Platform independent. Platform independent. And the fourth one is what there? Architectural neutral. Architectural neutral. Fourth one is what there? Architectural neutral. And the fifth one is what there? Portable. Fifth one is what there? Portable. And the sixth one is what there? Robust. Robust programming language. Robust. After completion of this robust, the next one is what there? Dynamic. Seventh one is what there? Dynamic. And the next one is like what there? Eighth one is what there? Distributed. After this dynamic, distributed. Okay, fine. After this, before this distributed, secure programming language. Java is a secure programming language. And the ninth one is what there? Distributed programming language. And the 10th one is what there? Multi-threaded programming language. 10th one is what there? Multi-threaded programming language. And the 11th one is what there? An interpretive programming language. And the last one, 12th one is what there? High performance programming language. High performance programming language. That's it. These are all features of like what there? Java. Is it? All of you are getting my point now? So this one, to describe the nature of Java programming language. To describe the nature of the Java programming language, Java has provided the following set of features. What are the various features which are provided by Java? First one is what they're simple, object oriented, platform independent, architectural neutral, portable, robust, dynamic, secure, distributed, multi-threaded, interpretive. Then what next one here? High performance programming language. Clear? Now here our job is what there? Understanding one by one clearly. Each and every point here we have to understand clearly. All right, sir. Let's move on to the point here. The first one is what? What is that very first one here? A simple programming language. Simple programming language. As I said to you already, then one point is very clear. If I go to your parents, if I ask your parents, tell me something about your child, every parent will say that what your parents are able to say, no, my child is innocent only. Of course, you are too worst, but still your parents are saying that my child is innocent. You don't know how to survive in outside. That is extra tagline. Okay. The similarly, every programming language vendor, they're able to say my programming language is simple. But we have to ask that programming language vendor, tell me how your programming language is simple. Then definitely they will give that programming language features. How it is simple, they're able to give some points now. Now what Java people have given information about to say their programming language is simple. The very first one is what there, observe carefully. Java is a simple programming language. Java is a simple programming language. Why? Because, observe carefully, why? Because what Java has given the points here. The very first one is what there. Java applications will take less execution time and less memory. Yes, sir. Got it? The very first point here, what I'm telling to you. Java applications will take less execution time and less memory. Got it or not? This is the reason why we can conclude that Java is what there? A simple programming language. Point number one. Already one point. If it is less execution time, more performance. If it is less memory, less cost for the end product. And finally, we are going to prepare these programs for a particular product. That product cost will be reduced if it is less memory. If it is less execution time, performance will be more. More performance here we are able to get. So this is one reason here we have to understand. Listen carefully, all of you know. Other reason is like what? What is that other reason here I'm telling to you? Java has removed all the confusion oriented features. Java has removed all the confusion oriented features like what are these confusion oriented features? No, like pointers. Actually, pointers are available in C and C++, but it is a confusion oriented feature. It was removed inside the Java, not available. Pointers are available or not available in Java? Not available, but which are available in where? C and C++. Pointers, comma. What next one here? No, multiple inheritance. It is available in C++, but it is not available in Java. Why? Because it is also a confusion oriented feature, and so on and so on and so on. Some of the features here we are providing there, so they are not available inside the Java. Why? Because they are confusion oriented features. Why, sir? Why these confusion oriented features are removed from Java? Why these features were removed from Java? Why? Because to make Java as what there? A simple programming language. To make Java as a simple programming language, all the confusion oriented features are removed. All of you are getting it or not? Listen carefully. Third one, observe carefully. Java is using all simplified syntaxes. Java is using all simplified syntaxes. What are the simplified syntaxes? No, high level syntaxes totally. Int I is equal to 10. Int I is equal to 10. Very simple syntax, declaring variables, of course, which is followed by C and C++. The same we are using inside the Java also. Java is not having different set of syntaxes. What syntaxes we have used in C and C++? 90% of the syntaxes are repeatable inside the Java. Why? Because already the syntaxes are simple. But confusion-oriented syntaxes are available in C and C++. They are not allowed inside the Java. In Java, every feature, every syntax is a straightforward and bold. That's it. Everybody can understand the syntaxes of Java. Because of this reason, we can conclude that Java is what there? A simple programming language. I'm asking this question to all of you. Try to answer for it. How can you say that Java is a simple programming language? Come on, how can you say that Java is a simple programming language? Java applications will take what? Less execution time, less memory. Next one is what there? Java has removed all the confusion-oriented features like pointers and multiple inheritance. That's nice. What's the third point here? Java is using all the simplified syntaxes. Because of these reasons, we can conclude that Java is what there? A simple programming language. Clear? Can I move forward? Can I go for the next point here? All right. Now tell me, what is the next one here? The next feature of the Java is what there? If you understand it, object-oriented programming language. Java is what there? Object-oriented programming language. This is the next feature that we can identify clearly. All right, sir. Java is what there? An object-oriented programming language. Simple example. All of you understand it now. 3 members I want to take. 3 persons. Listen, all of you listen carefully. 3 persons. One is kid, the 1 year kid. 1 year kid in the sense, you know, already even the teeth also be not available, right? 1 year kid, just as a baby. Next one is second person is 80 years old man. 80, almost a near to expiry date. Old man, 80 years old man. The third one is like you, youngster, young, right? Yes, sir, got it? You're young or not? Some people are might be seriously they are looking at my face and I don't know what is the reason for it. Any doubt on it? Fine. Okay, fine. Young, you're youngster. That's okay, nice. Good. So here my point is I want to take one apple. If I give an apple to the 1 year baby, how that baby is able to eat that apple now tell me? Is it possible for that baby without having teeth? Tried but not possible. Am I right or not? But tried but not possible. Just 1 year kid, 1 year baby. How it is possible, right? No, okay. The same apple, the same or different, whatever it may be, apple. If I give one apple to the 80 years old person there, then how much he able to eat it? Yeah, there also be almost all the teeth are in what there in what I'm telling there, almost a ending stage, right? But he tried for it at least a little bit he able to eat, not completely, a little bit. Yes, sir, got it or not? At least 25% of the apple he able to eat it. Why? Because already had very good qualifications. At one side sugar, other side is what BP, all these things. How we able to eat that apple now, right? No, okay, fine. Third case. What about third case? No, you. The one apple is not sufficient, right? Definitely, 2 to 3 apples you require. Am I right or not? Gotcha. Observe carefully. 1 year baby unable to eat that apple. 80 years old man able to eat that apple up to 20% or 25%, not completely. But you are able to eat totally that apple. Am I right or not? Got it or not? Listen clearly. Apple is object orientation. Apple is object orientation. It is a theory, is a concept. 1 year baby is there now. It is a C programming language, unable to represent that object orientation, not representing anything about object orientation, unable to eat it. Next one is 80 years old man is there now. 20% or 50% is able to eat it now. C++ programming language, able to represent that object orientation up to some percentage, not completely. All right. Now you only give the next answer. You, I'm talking about you. What is that you? Java programming language. Perfect. You represent the total object orientation. You're able to eat the complete apple or not. So Java is able to represent the complete apple. Means that the total object orientation is represented in the form of like what there? Java. So here the point is what? Java is an object oriented programming language. Why? Because it is able to represent the complete object oriented features. It is able to represent the complete object orientation. How it able to represent the complete object orientation? I'm telling to you clearly. If any programming language is representing data completely in the form of objects, object is not any other one, memory block. While representing data, a set of rules and regulations are available. They are nothing but object oriented features. They are nothing but what? They're object oriented features. Object is a memory block. To store data in an object, a set of rules and regulations here we have to follow. They're what? They're object oriented features. All of you understand it clearly. All right. Representing that object oriented features are not representing object oriented features, that depends on the programming languages. C programming language is not representing any object oriented feature. C++ is representing up to some part, but Java is representing effectively. Java is representing what there? Effectively. Understand my point here? So because of this reason, we can conclude that Java is what they? An object oriented programming language. I'm giving statement, try to understand it now. Java is an object oriented programming language. Why? Because it able to represent the total data, complete data in the form of objects by following the object oriented features. Can you tell me what are the various object oriented features? No. Class, object, encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, and so on. Message passing. They're called as what? They're object oriented features. These object oriented features are achieved, are implemented in Java or not. So Java is what? There an object oriented programming language. Clear to all of you? Know I'm going to write the text now. Try to understand the point here what I'm telling to you. Observe carefully. Java is an object oriented programming language. Why? Because Java is an object oriented programming language. Why? Because Java is able to represent the complete data in the form of objects, by following the object oriented features like what are these object oriented features? Class, object, encapsulation. All right, sir, just 1 minute. Now here I need to provide what there? Encapsulation. Then after this, what next one here? Abstraction. Then after this, what next one here? Inheritance. Next one is what there? Polymorphism. Next one is what there? Message passing. That's it. So now try to understand it clearly. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Why? Because Java is able to represent the complete data in the form of objects by following the object-oriented features like class, object, encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, message passing, and so on. If anything is available, and so on. That's why, because of that reason, we can conclude that Java is what there? An object-oriented programming language. Is it all of you are getting clarity on this point or not? Right, sir. That's okay, fine. 1 minute. Yeah. Right, sir. This is the total view of like what their object-oriented programming languages. All right. Now tell me, what about the third one here? Third feature. What is the third feature actually? The third feature is what their platform independent programming language. Platform independent programming language. All right. Nothing, sir. Very simple. I'm asking one question to you. Try to answer for it. When I write a program to get output, what we have to do? I've written a program. Then I want to get output from my program. Then what I have to do? First, I have to compile the program. Am I right or not? First, I have to compile the program. After that, I have to execute the program. I need to compile the program. Then after that, I have to execute the program. Then we are able to get output. When we execute the program, then only we are able to get output. Compilation is one task. execution is another one. Then only we are able to get output. Am I right or not? For what purpose compilation, for what purpose execution, that we are going to understand. Don't worry for it. All right, sir. Now listen carefully, all of you know. If any programming language, listen carefully, if any programming language allows its applications to perform compilation and execution on the same operating system, compilation and execution must be performed on the same operating system, then that programming language is platform dependent programming language, not independent. Platform dependent programming language. What are the examples for platform dependent programming languages? C and C++. C and C++ are what? Their platform dependent programming languages. Quite opposite of it. What is it? No. If any programming language allows its applications to perform compilation is on one operating system and execution is on another operating system. We can perform compilation is on Windows operating system. Same program we can execute on what? Their Linux operating system. If it is allowed, if it is possible, then the programming language is platform independent programming language. Then the programming language is what? Their platform independent programming language. All of you get my point here? All right, now I'm telling to you example for platform independent programming language is Java. Our example, direct example is what? There Java. Not only Java, Python is also a platform independent, .NET is also a platform independent. That we have to understand clearly. All right, so now observe carefully. Java is a platform independent programming language. Java is a platform independent programming language. Why? Because Java allows, Java allows its applications to perform compilation, to perform the compilation in one operating system and the execution is in another operating system. Execution is in what? There another operating system. Compilation is in one operating system and the execution is in what? There another operating system. So because of that reason, Java is what? There a platform independent programming language. Come again, sir. How can you say that Java is a platform independent programming language? What is the reason for it? Now tell me. Java allows its applications to perform compilation is in one operating system and execution is in what? There another operating system. So because of that reason, Java is what? There platform independent programming language. At the same time, can you tell me what is platform dependent programming language? What is platform dependent programming language? Compilation is on what? Compilation is on what? Compilation and execution must be on same operating system. But compilation is on one operating system, execution is on another operating system. Then the programming language is what? There platform independent programming language. Is that clear? All of you are getting clarity on this? All right, sir. But internal concepts I will discuss with you later. No need to worry for it. But what is what? What is what? Only here we have to understand. Right, sir. Leave this one. Then what about the next one, sir? Now tell me. What about the next one here? Architectural neutral programming language. Architectural neutral programming language. No need to have any separate discussion about it. It's almost all same as the platform independent only, but here the content is what? There hardware system we have to use in place of the operating system. Just we have to use what? There hardware in place of what? There operating system. Let's move on to the punch here. If any programming language allows its applications to perform compilation and execution on the same hardware system, on the same processor, on the same hardware system, then the programming language is hardware dependent programming language. Understand my point, Kiran? But what is architectural neutral hardware independent programming language? If any programming language allows its applications to perform compilation is on one hardware system and execution is on another hardware system. That's my point here now. So number of processors are available in outside, different processors now. That's my point here now. Compilation is on one processor, but execution is on what there? Another processor. If we do this, if it is possible, then the programming language is what? Hardware independent programming language. That hardware independent programming language is also be called as what there? Architectural neutral programming language. Here in architectural neutral, architecture is what there? Hardware. Architecture in the sense what there? Hardware architecture. Now I'm giving clarity. Java is an hardware. Java is an architectural neutral programming language. Why? Because Java allows its applications to perform compilation is on one hardware system and execution is on what there? Another hardware system. So Java is what there? An architectural neutral programming language. All of you understand it clearly. Java is an architectural neutral programming language. Why? Because Java is an architectural neutral programming language. Why? Because Java allows its applications to perform compilation is on one hardware architecture, one hardware system or one hardware architecture, and the execution is on the another hardware architecture. So because of that reason here, we can conclude that Java is what there is an hardware. Java is what there an architectural neutral programming language. Tell me, sir. I'm asking these questions to you now. Try to answer for it now. How can you say that Java is a platform independent programming language? We can compile Java programs in one operating system. We can execute the same program in what there? Another operating system. Nice. How can you say that Java is an hardware neutral? That means architectural neutral programming language. We can compile Java programs in one hardware system. We can execute the same Java program in what there? Another hardware system. So Java is what there? Architectural neutral programming language. Got it or not? All right, sir. Good. The next one is what there? Observe carefully. Portable programming language. One simple example, all of you understand it, no? Portable. For example, 10 years back, I've taken my mobile phone, then where I've taken a SIM card, network provider. 10 years back, if I observe this, which network provider is very good, which network is very good in outside, if you observe this, maybe 15 years back, you can think of it. By the time, Idea, are you aware about it? Idea, I think at present also it is available, right? Idea, that network is very good, that network provider is very good. By the time, that's why I've taken a SIM card. Idea network option I'm using. At the time of taking that SIM card, I have taken mobile number. That mobile number is like what the somewhat fancy number I have taken. Think of it. Fancy number I have taken. What is that fancy number there? All nines I have taken, for example. Example I'm telling there, but not really. All nines I have taken. For taking that fancy number, I put some amount of money. How much amount of money I have spent for it? Nearly 1 lakh rupees I have given. 1 lakh rupees I have given for getting all nines. I think more than the cost of that all nines is what there? More than more than 10 lakhs, I think, so at present. That's when the demand is very high for getting that mobile numbers. Think of it. 1 lakh rupees I spent for getting that mobile number. Days goes on, my requirements are okay, but now the technology is increased there. Now at present, that entire world is moving on the top of what there? 5G. Am I right or not? Entire world is moving on what there? 5G. Now everywhere 5G network is coming. But who are very good in 5G network now? Tell me, who are providing very good 5G network actually? Two network providers are giving effectively. Who are the two members there? Geo, another one is what there? Airtel. These two members are giving very good 5G support. But what about this Idea situation? No, Idea is also be providing 5G, but not in good manner. So it is not good, but available, but not good. Then we had a thought of it, but still, why we are using this Idea network provider? Why don't we get that? Then very good network providers for a 5G and outside. Why am I not going to bind with them? Why I'm using still the same idea network? I have a thought of it. Immediately, I want to change it. Then immediately I need to take what there? One Geo connection, for example. Geo network I need to take. Geo SIM card here I need to take. But the moment when I go to the Geo network, when I go to the Geo store, I want to get the 5G. That's why here I want to take the Geo SIM card. Then can you provide the Geo SIM card? If I ask there, then directly they are given a Geo SIM card to me. They said to me, we can take the Geo SIM card, then we are able to get 5G automatically. Okay, I've taken that SIM card, I've given that SIM card in my mobile phone. But unfortunately, what happened there? That new mobile number is coming. What happened there? New mobile number is coming. But I don't want to lose my old number that I've taken as a fancy number. I've taken it. I spent some amount of money. I like that. I like very well about that number. Very good about my number. Moreover, all my friends knows about that old number only. But if it is a new number, again everywhere I have to change my contact. Yes, sir, got it or not? So immediately I've asked that mobile might be Geo store person there. I like my old number. Without changing that old number, can you can you please provide the Geo network for me with the same number? Think about my point. I don't want to change that old number. I want to use still the same number, but internally, can you change the network from Idea to Geo? Is it possible? Now you only tell me, is it possible or not possible? Yes, it is possible. How it is possible? How it is possible? There is a name. How it is possible? That process name is what there? Number porting. The process name is what there? Number porting. Number is same or not? Number is same, but in the ground, what is changed here? Network provider is changed. Number is same, but internally, network provider is switched from one network provider to another network provider. That means Idea to Geo, we changed it. Am I right or not? That porting is possible. So that number is what there? Portable. That mobile numbers are what there? Portable nowadays. Am I right or not? Nowadays, that mobile numbers are what there? Portable. Clear or not? Similarly, Java program is a portable program. No other concept. Java program is what there? Portable. How can you say that Java program is a portable? Maintain the same Java program. We can switch from one operating system to another operating system. We can switch from one hardware system to another hardware system. But the Java program is what there? Portable or not? Understand my point? Java program is what there? Portable. Why? Because program is same, but internally operating system, hardware system, all we are going to be changed from one type to another type or not. So there, automatically our Java program is what there? A portable programming language. Java program is portable in the sense Java programming language is also be what there? A portable programming language. Guys, all of you following the points or not? All right. Now the point is what there? Java is a portable programming language. Java is a portable programming language. Why? Because Java is able to, Java allows its applications, Java allows its applications to run under all the hardware systems and under all the operating systems. Because of this reason, we can conclude that Java is what there? A portable programming language. One simple example, sir. After completion of this entire introduction part, I'll start steps to prepare first Java program, the topic name. What's the topic name there? Steps to prepare first Java program. I'm going to start. Part of the steps to prepare first Java program, I'll download Java software from internet. I'll install that Java software in my computer. I'll download Java software from internet. I will install the Java software in my computer. When I am going to install Java software, when I'm going to install Java software in my system, in the process of installation, the software will show a message to us. What message it is able to show there? Understand it, no? 3 billion devices runs Java. Come again? What's the point I said? 3 billion devices runs Java. Then immediately they are trying to give the list of the devices. Some of the devices they have given. What devices? If we observe there, mobile phones, parking signal, parking might be parking meters. Next one is a traffic signaling system. Next one is what there? Some hardware systems and so on and so on. Computers maybe. and so on and so on and so on and so on. So many 3 billion devices are different types of devices are using Java. How it is possible for Java to run under 3 billion number of devices? No, is because of its portability nature. Is because of its what there portability nature. Java is a portable. That's why Java is suited in all 3 billion number of devices now. This is not my own statement. The Java installation process is giving that information. Remember this point. When I'm going to install Java, I will show the same point directly. I'm able to highlight that point definitely by the time. There we are able to understand it clearly. So finally, what exactly the points here we understood there. Final concept is what there. Java is a portable programming language. Why? Because Java allows its applications to run under all the hardware systems and all the operating system. Because of this reason, Java is what there a portable programming language. Yes, sir, got it or not? Like this one. Next one is after completion of this point here. Next one is what there robust programming language. Java is a robust programming language. Okay, then what is the meaning of this robust programming language? That we have to understand clearly. First of all, straightforward point, try to understand it. No, forget about Java and its robustness. Forget about it. First of all, tell me when a programming language is a robust programming language. I have a programming language. When I'm able to say my programming language is a robust programming language, to say a programming language is a robust programming language, what criteria we have to follow? What exactly the measurements we are going to take? What exactly the parameters we are going to recognize? We are going to consider to say a programming language is a robust programming language. If we come for this point, I'll give one simple solution. Everybody understand the points here. If any programming language is having very good memory management system and very good exception handling mechanisms, then that programming language is called a robust programming language. Yes, can you please tell me what I said to you? When a programming language is a robust programming language, if any programming language has very good memory management system and has very good exception handling mechanisms. Memory management system, exception handling mechanisms. If both are good in any programming language, then that programming language is called a robust programming language. That's clear to all of you? All of you are getting clarity on my points, what I said to you? All right. Now I'm telling to you clearly, observe carefully. Java is a robust programming language. Java is a robust programming language. Why? Because, tell me why? Because Java has a very good memory management system. Next one is what? Java has a very good exception handling mechanisms. Okay, fine. Why? Because point number one, Java has a very good memory management system. Java has a very good memory management system in the form of observe carefully. Java has a very good memory management system in the form of heap memory management system. In the form of what there? Heap memory management system. Observe carefully. Heap memory management system. What is this heap memory management system actually? What is the meaning of this heap memory management system? It is a dynamic memory management system. Heap memory management system, it is a what there? A dynamic memory management system. Is that all of you get my point or not? So Java is using a very good memory management system in the form of heap memory management system. It is a dynamic memory management system. So watch, what is the advantage of this dynamic memory management system? All right, if we come for this point, I'm giving clarity there. It is a dynamic memory management system. It allocates and deallocates memory for the objects. Object is nothing but memory block only. All right, it allocates and deallocates memory for the objects at runtime of the applications. as per the requirement. Right, sir? Java has a very good memory management system in the form of heap memory management system. It is a dynamic memory management system. It allocates and deallocates memory for the objects at the runtime of the applications as per the requirement. While executing our program, if we need memory allocation, our heap memory management system is ready to allocate memory. Already memory is allocated for one object. I want to destroy that object. I want to deallocate memory for that object. Our heap memory management system is ready to remove memory for the object. If we require memory, it is ready to allocate. If we don't require memory, it is ready to destroy that memory. Then this entire support is available at what time? Not at compilation time. At what time there? Runtime of the application. So because of that reason, that memory allocation is nothing but dynamic memory allocation. That memory management system is called as what there? Dynamic memory management system. The dynamic memory management system is an advantage or not? Static memory management system is available at compilation time, providing memory allocation, the static memory allocation. At compilation time, if you provide memory, the total memory, it may be used, may not be used totally at runtime. There's a doubtful case. Memory wastage is going to be happen in the case of the static memory management system. But if you go for dynamic memory management system, as per the requirement only, we are going to get the memory. If you don't require memory, if you don't require the memory allocation, not required to provide memory allocation. If you need memory really, then only memory allocation will be provided. So in dynamic memory allocation, memory utilization will be effective. But in static memory allocation, what happened? For example, 100 bytes of memory we assign at compilation time. But the total 100 bytes of memory, whether we are going to use it or not, that is dependent at runtime. May not be used 100%, may not be used 100 bytes of memory. Maybe 40 bytes of memory we are able to use, 50 bytes of memory we are able to use, but not 100 bytes of memory. But remaining 50 bytes of memory is a wastage or not? So that is a problem in the case of what their static memory allocations. Memory wastage is going to be happen in the case of static memory allocations. But in the case of dynamic memory allocations, no memory wastage is going to be happen. As per the requirement, on demand only, memory is going to be provided. So memory will be utilized effectively in the case of what their dynamic memory management system. Fortunately, Java has the dynamic memory allocations. Java has the dynamic memory management system. The dynamic memory management system is nothing but what their heap memory management system. Yes, sir, got it or not? So in the point of memory management system, Java is very good. So we can conclude that Java is what there? A robust programming language. Yes, sir. All of you are getting my point or not? Let's coming to the second point. What is that second point here? Java has a very good exception handling mechanisms. Java has a very good exception handling mechanisms to handle the exceptions at a runtime. To handle the exceptions at runtime. So because of that reason, we can conclude that Java is very good at what their exception handling mechanisms. And one more point I'm telling to you, observe carefully. Java has very good exception handling mechanisms. Then here I want to provide that another point here. Java has provided a very good predefined library. What is that, sir? Java has provided a very good predefined library, predefined support to predefined library to handle all the exceptions, which are coming frequently, in the Java applications, That's it. Now come for this point here. Java has a very good exception handling mechanisms. Java has provided a very good predefined library to handle all the exceptions which are coming frequently in the Java applications. Because of that reason, we can conclude that Java is very good at exception handling mechanisms. Java is very good at memory management system. And finally, Java is what programming language? No, robust programming language. Sir, out of this total Java features, interviewer may ask only one question. What is that question here? Tell me how Java is a robust programming language. How can you say that Java is a robust programming language? Now tell me the reason for it. This might be the question here we are able to catch. Now tell me here, how can you say that how Java is a robust programming language? Because of two reasons. What are the two reasons? No, Java has very good memory management system in the form of what? Heap memory management system. What is the nature of the heap memory management system? It's a dynamic memory management system. So what is its advantage? No, it allocates and deallocates memory for the objects at what time? Runtime. Runtime memory allocation is always suggestible or not? Always it is effective memory management system or not? So that's why Java is very good at what their memory management system. And the second one is what there? Java has very good exception handling mechanisms. How can you say that Java has very good exception handling mechanisms? No, Java has provided a very good predefined library to represent and handle all the exceptions which are coming frequently in Java applications. Due to this much of predefined library for representing all the exceptions, Java is very good at what their exception handling mechanisms. But I need to give the total information, but still I want to give more details about this exception handling. I need to give what is the meaning of exception, how many types of exceptions are available, some few points are available here. After that only we are able to complete this particular content here. Yes, sir. All of you are getting it or not? So finally, what exactly the points here I'm discussing with you up to now? Today just I started what topics are now, tell me? Java features. Now tell me, what is the requirement of the Java features topic? Now tell me here, what I given there? To describe the nature of the Java programming language, Java has provided the following features. What are the various features which are provided by Java? Now tell me. Simple, object-oriented, platform-independent, architectural neutral, portable, robust, dynamic, secure, distributed, multi-threaded, interpretive, and high performance. These are the overall, what are the various features here we are having about the Java. Next one is what? How can you say that simple programming language? Now tell me. Quick, now tell me. Java applications will take what? Less memory, less execution time. Java has removed already all the confusion oriented features like pointers, multiple inheritance, and so on. Java is using which type of syntaxes? No, simple syntaxes here. Next one is Java is an object oriented programming language. How? Java is an object oriented programming language. Why? Because Java is able to represent the complete data in the form of objects by following the object oriented features. Tell me, what are the various object oriented features? No, class, object, encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, message passing, and so on. Java is a platform independent programming language. How can you say that? Java is a platform independent programming language. Why? Because Java allows its applications to compile on what? One operating system, and execution is on what? Another operating system. That's nice. Java is an architectural neutral programming language. What's the point here? Now tell me. Java is an architectural neutral programming language. Why? Because Java allows its applications to perform compilation is on what? On a hardware system, and execution is on what there? Another hardware system. How can you say that Java is a portable programming language? Java allows its applications to run its applications under all the operating systems, all the hardware systems. So Java is what there? A portable programming language. How can you say that Java is a robust programming language? Because of two reasons. Java has very good memory management system in the form of what? Heap memory management system. It's a dynamic memory management system. It allocates and deallocates memory for the objects at what time? Runtime of the application. Which memory management system is effective memory management system? Dynamic memory management system is effective memory management system. Our heap memory management system is what? Dynamic memory management system. Next reason is what there? Java has a very good exception handling mechanisms. How can you say that Java has very good exception handling mechanisms? No, Java has provided a very good predefined library to represent and handle all the exceptions which are coming frequently in the Java applications. Isn't it? All of you are getting clarity on these points now? All right, sir. Now, almost all the time is 6:30. Just today, I want to stop here. Just only few days of time, 1 hour class there. As I given already information to you, within few days of time, I'll start our classes right from 4 o'clock, 4 onwards, 4 o'clock onwards. I'll start our classes. By the time we are able to get nearly 2.5 hours of class here, we are able to get. All right, understand my point here? Then don't worry for it, but few days of time just to have habituation for our classes there. Up to few days of time, I need to conduct your class up to 1 hour only, up to 6:30. I'll stop these classes. After that, 4 onwards, I'm going to start our classes there clearly. Got it? What I'm telling you, right? Right, sir. That's all for today. I'll meet on tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'll continue the remaining content. Please remind to me tomorrow. I need to give more explanation on this particular point. Just only point I've given. I want to give some elaborated information about this exception, types of exceptions, the kind of content I will discuss with you clearly. Right, so tomorrow after that, I'll move on to what the remaining features of the Java. At any cost, tomorrow we are going to finish the Java features. If time is permitted for me, I will start what there Java naming conventions. There is another topic. Case sensitive programming language, where to use uppercase letters and where to use lowercase letters, that we are going to understand clearly on tomorrow. After that, we may go for what there Java programming format. How we are going to prepare program there, what format we have to provide there, all the points there we are going to understand. Got it clearly? Right, sir. Thanks for it. And tomorrow we'll meet. Tomorrow we'll see the remaining content. Thank you. Yeah, guys. Then tomorrow also we can attend. Manish. Yeah, Manish, you can attend tomorrow also. No need to worry for it. The same link we can use tomorrow also. We can use the same link, guys. No changes on this link. Tomorrow also we can use the same link. Okay. Right. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah, guys. Then I'm watching all of your comments. All of your comments I'm watching there. Then every class video recordings will be provided. Janvi. Then every class video recordings will be provided to all of you. No need to worry for it. Okay. Then up to now whatever the classes just we have taken there. Every class we are able to get. Yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot. Acha, no problem.